Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. Yes, so I have the Boxycharm for the month of March. This box is a little bit bigger, and I'm excited to show you guys what I got. I couldn't help myself. I opened it. It came quickly. I'll leave all the information for Boxycharm below. They did send this over for free. I have to let you guys know that, but all opinions are always my own. So this is the inside of the box. Ooh, a lot of goodies in here, some stuff I'm really excited about, and it's 5 items. Yes, and the value is always over $100 something, so that's amazing for a low rate. So I definitely love Boxycharm, and this month's theme is lucky because St. Patrick's Day, but it's lucky because it's my B-Day month, period. And excuse my little what is that, band-aid. I got my COVID vaccine yesterday, my second round. I'm exhausted. You know how that thing do. But we're going to make it through it. We're going to make it do what it do. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. Yes, honey. Eye mask, I am down for it. Eye mask, where are you, boo-boo? So you can tell me what you do. What do you do, baby? It says these nourishing avocado and green tea infused eye patches will hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. Baby, yes. Can I use this? Avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while the green tea energizes and depuffs your under eyes. Say goodbye to stress. Bye-bye stress, okay? And treat and relax your under eyes. You deserve it. $18 is what it normally goes for. I don't even want to open it. How many do you get? Like, you get 3 individually wrapped masks. So you get 3 of them in here. So that's pretty cool. The next thing in here is the Maven Beauty. Yes, Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. I love me a good setting spray. Yes, I don't wear makeup as much as I used to, but I mean, come on, look at my skin. Girl, shut up. This one. But I do like setting powders just to have my face hydrated, especially in the summertime. So I could use one of these and not need, to put on makeup. But this is really pretty. Look at the color of this. This screams summer. Like, I want my nails this color one time. I'm going to remember this when I want my nails done because I like this orange and it has the same color top. Let's spray it. Not too rosy. It kind of reminds me of baby wipes. Yeah, it smells like baby wipes. We always try to get the smell of. Yes, it smells a lot like baby wipes. Yes, how much does this go for? $22. This is normally $22. So these 2 items pay for the box in itself, but you get 5 items. So let's keep it moving. The next item here is the Cab lip oil. Need that right now, okay? So the lip oil, y'all see me opening it, trying to be quick with it. I done dropped it. Oh my God. It's a hydrating lip oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty lips, okay? And hello to juicy, hydrated lips, okay? Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on comfortably for juicy lips that last all day. And y'all, look at these lips. They big, they juicy, they plump, and they need to stay moisturized or it's a mess over here. So I'm about to try this out right now. And this is the one that I got. This normally goes for $20. This kind of reminds me of the one from, who was it? Milani. This reminds me of the Milani one, especially with the big applicator. Yeah, this reminds me of the one from Milani. Look at my, oh, it smells good too. It smells good, y'all. I like it. And it does remind me of the one from Milani. So yeah, this is very similar to the one from Milani, even down to the applicator. So this one is really, really nice. I do like it. The next thing we have is the Glow Recipe. And y'all know Glow Recipe is supposed to be really good. It's sold at Sephora. And this is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Y'all know I'm always looking for a moisturizer, always needing a new moisturizer. So why not get one in my box? And the boxes, I think, are customized to like what you like the most. And I love skincare. Sorry guys, I'm trying to open it, but I love skincare. I'm a skincare junkie more than a makeup junkie now. I just love skincare and trying different things. Some things work for my skin, some things send my skin running. But I've heard good things about Glow Recipe. And look at this. This is so pretty. Look at her. Oh, she's super cute. like her. Do you smell like bananas? Let me open it. It smells like bananas too. Yo, this is super cool. I'm gonna just use a little bit. It kind of reminds me of like the Souffle Bath and Body Works used to have for the skin. Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of the moisturizer on my hand. It smells so good. I like this a lot. It smells really good. Yeah, it's good. So I cannot wait to use this. It's gonna look really good in my bathroom. The packaging, like, okay, Glow Recipe, and this normally goes for $39. So it's way more than the price of the entire box. So thank you, Boxycharm. I got that. And the last item in here is from Lime Crime. It's normally $38. It's the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. Looks just like that. And I cannot wait to open this. Y'all know I be liking eyeshadow palettes. Do I wear eyeshadow? Do I? I got so many eyeshadow palettes. It's ridiculous. But I don't even really use them. Can you open up, Mama? Come on. Okay, it's opening up. Hold on, guys. There we go. So there's the Venus 3. It looks just like that. And I guess, does it slide open or it lifts open? Ooh, lifts open, has a nice sized mirror, and boom, take that out. That's the colors. This is pretty. Okay, I like this. I like this a lot. So we have Dreamy, we have Beam, we have Heavenly, we have Rapture, we have Ecstasy, we have Paradise, we have Bliss, and we have Beloved. Yes, I like these colors a lot. And this is gonna look really nice with my skin tone. I guess y'all gonna make me do my makeup. They're gonna make me do my makeup because this color right here, this is really pretty, this color. Beam. Ooh, and they're so buttery. That was really buttery, and it looks like it's kind of two-toned. Well, when I'm looking at it from here to here, it looks two-toned, but don't want to blind y'all with the mirror, but that is really pretty. Let me try another color. I'll go on with a matte. This is Bliss. And there goes Bliss right there. Matches really well into my skin tone. So, okay. I like you. You cute. So this right here is Bomb. Really buttery. I like this. So I cannot wait to use this. Again, this retails for $38. So way more than the price of the box. So in my opinion, it makes it worth it in itself. So whew, I am so happy with my box this month. Do I need to rate it? Let's rate it. Okay. My least favorite probably would be the primer. Well, not primer, but the setting spray. And the reason why, because y'all know me and Rose, but this smells like baby powder. So that's pretty cool. The next thing, I would say the lip product. The lip product is great. It's amazing. But Milani has one that's probably a little bit cheaper. So that would be my next one. Then after that would be the avocado eye things. Like, I mean, I really like them, but I like them more than the other two. And then the top two things. Oh, it's so hard. Which one? Okay, the eyes. No. Which one's number 2? Ooh, number 2 has to be the eyeshadow palette. Let me explain. Let me tell you why. Because I don't use eyeshadow as much as I should. Okay, that's the only reason why it's number 2. If I used eyeshadow more, it would be higher up, but it would be number 1. I mean, higher up is only one place to go. But my number 1 item, y'all, she mine. I love her. The packaging's pretty. The vibe is pretty. It's yellow. It's cute. It's a banana souffle moisture cream, and it's Glow Recipe, something that is sold at Sephora. And it's something I've really been wanting to try. So this definitely took the cake, and this is my number 1 item. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's all I got for you today. What did you like from your Boxycharm, if you get Boxycharm, or what did you like from my Boxycharm? Definitely let me know in the comments below. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.